Hey students, so this week we're going to be creating a game called Space Shooter. This one of the other great Unity 3D tutorials. You'll be creating this. It's a simple top-down arcade-style shooting game, and you'll be creating this game using basic assets that are provided by Unity Technologies. You'll also have built-in components, and you'll write simple custom code. And we'll learn to understand how to work with imported mesh models, um, including audio, textures, and materials while practicing more complicated scripting principles. Um, if you haven't noticed already, with the programming, one thing builds on something else. So it's kind of like a math class where you've got to learn, get this principle down, and then you go on to the next level, and you're using some of the previous stuff. And that's how programming basically works. So you want to stay in touch with that. The objectives for this unit are where you'll basically just set up the space shooter game, the player and the camera. You'll establish boundaries, hazards, enemies, and then you'll set up a scoring system, and then continue on to build a complete game. Now you'll understand that you'll know that you've done this by just enjoying the game that you create, and you'll see a game that'll count your points and display your total score as well. This is an important thing to learn because, like I mentioned, the foundational principles are being taught in this unit. But what I want you to do is be sure to utilize the Unity manual, and there's a link here in this announcement to go to that. It's designed to help you learn how to use Unity from a very basic understanding to advanced techniques. You can also read it from start to finish, or just simply use it as a reference as you go through these tutorials. Either way, it's an extremely valuable resource when you're developing these projects. So have fun with this assignments, and make sure you zip up your project, including all files, and submit that to me with the assignment when you're completed. Looking forward to see what you create.